Hello students, this is the video number 5 of chapter Aggregate Demand and Aggregate Supply and Related Concepts. So now in this video I will explain full-fledgedly about concept of aggregate supply as planned by the producer. A concept of aggregate supply, it refers to aggregate production. Aggregate means production in the economy as planned by the producers. It means the flow of goods and services in the economy during one accounting year. So this is what in simple we can explain the concept of aggregate supply. Once again, it refers to aggregate production as planned by the producer. It implies the flow of goods and services in the economy during one accounting year. Now, behavior of AS. So here AS, income and AS both are increasing proportionally. As income increases, aggregate supply also increases. Why it is so? This table shows perfect identity between AS and Y. Why this is proportionally equally increased, that I will discuss here. So here some of the implication of perfect identity between income and aggregate supply. So first implication, there is excess capacity in the economy. Whenever there is a rise in demand, it implies rise in supply. Excess capacity means underutilized economy. Underutilized economy, there is a lot of chance to do more production. So why excess capacity? Number 2, because economy facing severe unemployment in the wake of Great Depression in 1930s. Whenever the country is facing unemployment, जैसे अभी कोरोना में भी it happens, it implies lack of demand, lack of employment opportunity, lack of investment, lack of saving. The circle is not moving properly. So here this is a diagram. Proportionally increases income and aggregate supply. So making an angle of 45 degree. Sometime a question may come why it is 45 degree. So you have to reply AS line is 45 degree because of the fact that AS on y-axis is identical with Y. AS and Y both are equal, इसलिए ये 45 degree है. On the x-axis, so AS rises proportionally to Y. AS जितनी इनकम बढ़ेगी उतना प्रोड्यूसर भी अपना प्रोडक्शन बढ़ाएगा. So once again, implication, there is excess capacity in the economy. Whenever there is rise in demand, implies rise in supply. Why excess capacity? Because economy is facing severe unemployment problem in the wake of Great Depression 1930 and the Corona 2020. It implies lack of demand. So this is the diagrammatic presentation of AS, and third AS line is 45 degree because of the fact AS on the y-axis is identical with Y on the x-axis. So AS rises equally, income rises. So now here I am going to explain diagrammatic presentation of saving function. So see, by CS, income, consumption. Income and consumption, as in the earlier video, in the beginning income is 0, there is a minimum expenditure. This leads to negative saving because AS is equal to Y plus CS. So S is equal to Y minus C. So 0 minus 30 and somewhere it is equal. After that, income is greater than consumption. So similarly, in the beginning, saving is a negative. Once saving is 0, after that, saving is increasing. So this is the line of saving, and wherever both are intersecting, Y is equal to C. This is break-even point. At this 45 degree, I brought from here, and it is the identity. So now I will draw S function from C function by C and S. We can find S by minus C. So in the beginning it is negative, after that it is 0, and after that saving is increasing. And some of the observation, number 1, S curve shoots from negative by axis, that is minus 30, because C is greater than Y. Here C is greater than Y. S is increasing, Y is also increasing. As soon as saving is increasing, Y is also increasing. When S is 0, then Y is equal to C is 40, is the break-even point, is the break-even point. After break-even point, S is a positive. After break-even point, S is a positive. So slope of S line, delta S over delta Y, so delta S, this is the change. Second term is first term, so it became positive 15. Second term minus first term is 20. After cancellation, we got 0.75. So this is what about concept of aggregate supply and diagrammatic presentation of S function from C function. So this is what all about. So please go through the videos one after another. In the next video, I will go further and then we'll solve the numerical. And please like, share and comment my video. So also subscribe. So thank you very much.